Exposure. Early. Exposure. Exposure. Yo, exposure. It's coming at you. Watch it.
It's your boy Ayo Man Exposure, my man Sterling, Simon Grass Bulldogs.
Hi.
Hello.
What up, y'all? This is your girl Eva Marcel, and I just want to encourage you and tell you to keep doing it. You can do it. I grew up in the arts. Believe in it, work hard, you can achieve it. All day at Exposure.
Exposure, baby. Exposure, man.
Exposure. Charlie Mack 215.
What up, y'all? Listen, to all the kids out there, I want to tell y'all something, all right? The only limits that are created in life are the ones you create for yourself. Anytime you want to go and just be who you are, just do it. And don't allow any of your family and friends to discourage you, because as soon as you want to do something with your life that's different, that don't fall according to their plan that they got with their life, they'll be the first ones to discourage you from being who you are. So just do you. Exposure.
What's up? This is your girl Megan Good, and we're standing here at Carl J's fashion show, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Exposure and say God bless you, and say I love what you're doing, and young folks, keep your head up, stay prayed up, stay focused, and know that it's about God and it's not about all this other stuff. I gotta run. Nice to meet you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Let's go enjoy this show.
I'm Kevin Hart, aka the Heart of the City, but I want to give a special shout out to my boy in his company, man. He's doing big things right now. High Octane Exposure. You know, it's a positive time. They're doing positive things, and I want y'all to continue to support the man, because he's full of positivity. And when you're positive, that means you beat negative upside the head.